Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, in this video, we're going to talk about big money bolos, items to be on the lookout for, items you can hopefully buy low and flip for a profit. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. And I'm first going to start by telling you about my Facebook group. So come join it. It's free. It's a great resource for resellers. We talk about all things reselling with an emphasis on bolo items that you can hopefully buy and flip for a profit. So I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. And this is the Bolo Buddies Facebook group, so come join it. At the top of the group, there is a spot that says share your best monthly bolo. So go to that, put in the comments, share your bolo, share anything you want me to shout out. Like if you sell on Whatnot, you can put that. So if you sell on Whatnot, woo, all my friends are at Whatnot. Whoop, whoop. You guys come join Whatnot. It's so fun. If you guys sell on Whatnot, put your handle down in the description of the video. Everybody follow everybody and grab some good deals, things you can flip for a profit on other platforms. So I do have a referral link down below. You can get $15 to shop if you use that to join Whatnot. New users only. Check it out, guys. All right, let's check out the first bolo. You guys, as I go through these bolos, you can comment down below. I've sold that before. I've never sold that. That's a great one. Any comments that you can put to help other resellers, that's a great thing to do. All right, found these Monster High G1 replacement arms hands, lot of 16 at the Goodwill bins, so maybe $2. Listed for $42, sold for $30. She said, I've been making so much money off the Monster High items. Still have more left in eBay store, Jolly's Treasure Emporium. So I had a Monster High doll show on Whatnot, and it did really good. There's a lot of people out there that collect these items. I was selling the accessories. I was selling the dolls. My husband had picked a whole bunch of them up at a garage sale, and they'd been sitting in the garage. And I'm like, you know what? Instead of parting these out, I am just going to go on Whatnot, and I'm just going to sell them on Whatnot. And it was great. So if you guys have not checked out Whatnot for selling, it may be a good fit for you. So check out my tutorials down in the description of the video, Bolo Buddies, Whatnot for beginners, and maybe it'll be another place that you guys want to start selling. They also have a marketplace. The marketplace, you can get sales here and there. It's not really what Whatnot's about, but I have sold items organically through my marketplace, not during a show. Now, if you have shows and you upload items to your Buy It Now, people during your show can buy things from the Buy It Now and get the discounted shipping during your show. So that's another great thing. I definitely recommend having items in your Buy It Now when you do shows. All right, bought this beautiful used Swarovski crystal silver plated 4x6 picture frame from an estate sale for $2. I didn't know what to price it at, so I went high at $67, and she took a best offer of $35. Jolly's Treasure Emporium. Yeah, anything Swarovski is great. People love that brand, especially jewelry. If you find the little swan on the back, definitely look up solds for those items because the jewelry can do really well. It's highly sought after. This one caught me a little off guard. I've never heard of this brand. It's Quaker Factory, vintage shirt and capri pants. And I think she sold another one too that had like cherries or something on it. She said she got this from an estate sale and it was $1 and she sold it for $42. So yeah, I wonder how long that took to sell. And then she also shared some scrubs in another video. The tops, the shirts. I don't know if this Scrub Star is a good brand, but I have not had very good luck with scrubs. But she is doing pretty good. So she said, I bought these Scrub Star 2XL. They are a larger size, so maybe that helped. Lot of 3 gray pants at the Goodwill, 75% off moving sale, less than $1 each, listed for $32. Man, I can't talk. Sorry, guys. I'm recording a bunch of videos in a row, so I've been talking for a while. $32 and sold for $25. But when I do Whatnot shows, sometimes I'm on 5 or 6 hours. So much fun over there on Whatnot. Okay, this is Cat Dog Bora Bora Beach Blast posable figures from Nickelodeon, huh? She said this is the second Cat Dog vintage 1999 Bora Bora Beach Blast posable figures I sold to the same buyer that bought the other one. Bought at a neighbor's neighborhood garage sale for $1 and sold for $53. Jolly's Treasure Emporium. Anything new old stock, guys, look it up. Here's another one. This one's a little different. Bought for $1 and sold for $49. Have you guys ever sold a cat dog? Have you ever heard of it? I've never heard of cat dog. Now, this one is interesting. This is a replacement part, 1 cup espresso part. Most of you aren't going to take the time to list these, but look, they do sell. She said, I bought an espresso machine from a thrift store for around $7. So I've been selling the parts off. And this is a replacement part that sold for $14. Do you guys part things out? Let me know in the comments. Flip over TV robot vintage 1993 KB Toys unopened gold. Read description. So she said, bought it at the neighborhood sale. Probably that same one. She got a lot of toys at that sale. Paid $1 and they had them priced cheap. Paid $1 and sold for 62. I'm sorry, listed for 62. Took a best offer of 59. If I went to a garage sale and they had new old stock stuff for $1, I'd be buying it all. Buying it all. She did great. This is a Pokemon vintage Nintendo Game Boy Advance carry case. She bought this at a neighborhood yard sale. All the other vintage toys I've been selling paid $1 each. She took listed for 70, took an offer of 45. So she does list high and she will take offers, guys. I've noticed that from a lot of her shares. And that, you know, I think that's smart because you just never know. And if you're really unsure, the best thing to do is an auction. This is a vintage, super cute hanging floral and eggs with chick Easter decor. Oh my goodness, that is so stinking adorable. Listed this plastic Easter decor on 8/24 and it sold on 8/31. Bought it at the Goodwill for 99 cents. Sold for full asking price of $49.99. And thrifty, a Miss Huber. Am I saying that right? I'm not sure. It's right here, guys, her eBay store. She said, thanks for all you do. Love your YouTube channel. Sorry, I don't know how to create a link. You are fine. Thank you for sharing. I appreciate it. And come share another one. That one was really cute. All right, here we go. This one is kind of unexpected. It is an Atlas of the Lewis and Clark Expedition Volume 1 hardback, 1983. She said, I found this rare extra large coffee table book at the Goodwill for $3.99. It was full of beautifully illustrated copies of maps of the Lewis and Clark Expedition. I could tell it was something special, so I comped it quick and was pleased to see it was a Bolo. It was in excellent condition except for 2 tiny gouges in the outside spine. Put it on auction twice, had 2 lowball offers and no bids, so I thought time to price high and forget it. I listed it for $185 and took an offer for $166.50 a week later. I could have held out for more, but I need the space for more listed items. I'm very happy with my flip and feedback I got. Thanks, Courtney, for all you do. Thank you for sharing. You always have great stuff. And that was Nooks, Crannies, and Irresistibles. This is a TV. Found this beside the road that got a little scratch on it from a cat, but it still sold for $25. So he picked this up. It looks like roadside free and sold it for $25. There you go, guys. Guess maybe on Facebook Marketplace or something. Bought in a bundle price. Cost of goods about 50 cents. Retro red vintage on eBay. Art Deco. It's a decanter glass. It's a decanter, you guys. Depression glass hand-blown bottle with the stopper. It's beautiful, right? The next item paid $5 at a yard sale last week. Sold today for $185 for local. I didn't want to ship this. So Facebook Marketplace again, I believe. He also sells on OfferUp. So if you guys, I don't know, is anybody else selling on OfferUp? Let me know. This one is mine. It's American Girl doll and it's a charm bracelet. And I needed to get some stuff on eBay. So I listed it over there. It sold for $65 and the buyer paid shipping. And I got this in a bunch of jewelry. Isn't it cute? American Girl. The next one I have is from a garage sale. I picked up a bunch of Little Tykes stuff. I've done really well with Little Tykes in the past. They actually had the dollhouse and I passed on it because I'm just kind of mostly on Whatnot now doing digs, jewelry digs. So to part out a dollhouse right now is not really in my, I don't have a lot of time to do that, but I have parted out many, many dollhouses. So if you get one and it's incomplete or not in great condition, you can take that baby apart, unscrew it, sell all the parts and pieces. Okay. So do some research on that if you want to learn more. I bought this for $5 and I sold it for $60 and the buyer paid shipping. The next one is this vintage Paragon Needlecraft. I had this listed for a while. It is beautiful. Really cool. I couldn't find any others like it. It's got all the wildlife on it. Just a neat one. I paid $1 at a garage sale, and I ended up taking a best offer of 100. So I could have waited and probably got more, but I had it listed for a while, and I listed it high and decided to take that offer. So thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please come over to the Facebook group and share your Bolo, and I'll feature it in a video like this. Again, if you have a whatnot handle, share it down in the description, and everybody follow everyone. And if you guys think that you have items that resellers can buy at a low price and flip for a profit, definitely write that in the comment down there, okay? I definitely have items that you can flip for a profit. So come see me. And I'm Bolo Buddies over there, and thanks for watching.